Hi, I'm Andy, the sales manager here at Snow's Mazda in Portsmouth, and today I'm going to be running you through the differences between the old Mazda 3 and the new one, which is just here to the right of me. So as you can see, the front grille is a lot more prominent and stands out a lot more in comparison to the older model. All of the models come with LED lights as standard. The higher spec models now come in a more grey colour. The older models were a lot lighter silver, as you can see there. They've also hidden the windscreen wipers, so as it gives it more of a sleek aerodynamic design. A couple of new features on the Mazda 3. As you can see on the side mirrors there, it has a little triangle which lights up when there's a car in your blind spot. Also, on some of our models it comes with keyless entry, and it used to have a button on there which is now a lot more discreetly designed, so it's just got a tiny little indent there so he doesn't even know that it comes with keyless entry. Leather interior now comes as standard on some of our models, where you used to have to add it as an extra option on the previous Mazda 3. Coming on the inside of the vehicle, there's a much newer design and a real sleek finish, as you can see. On this particular model it comes with a Bose sound system which has 12 speakers, a new 8.8 inch touchscreen display, and a new TFT screen in there which I'll turn on and show you in a second. So there we have the 7-inch TFT screen. Mazda have tried to make this car very human centric, so everything feels like it's in the perfect position. Even the 8.8 inch touchscreen display faces the driver a little bit. All of the buttons down here, as you can see, the heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate control, is not too cluttered. It's just a perfect layout. Controls on the steering wheel are nice and easy to use. And across the range you also have auto lights and auto windscreen wipers. So a couple of new features for the Mazda 3. We now have an SOS button, so you can press that if there's any emergencies. And on the side mirrors, when you go into reverse, they tilt down if you press the settings on here. So those are new to the Mazda range. There's plenty of room in the rear of the vehicle. Plenty of space to fit 5 adults in. And if you do have 4, you can also pull this down with cup holders and an armrest in the middle there. Coming around to the back of the car, it's got a real sporty look and a real big back end. Coming into the boot, it's got amples of room in there. Great for families or sporting activities, get golf clubs and buggies and stuff in the back there, or if you're a shopaholic, loads of bags. I think everyone could agree with me in saying that there's a vast improvement on not only the style of the car, but the specification that comes with it. It's a great value for money, so please feel free to come in for a test drive. Give us a call at Snow's Mazda Portsmouth on 02392 314 214.